respect of the increase in salary and allowances for serving employees of banks, there will be an overall increase of 17% in the salary and allowances. Member Sivadasan has spoken about quite a few issues, particularly about the bank employees. I'd like to say, sir, the IBA, the Interbank Association, signed the 12th bipartite or the 9th joint note on 8/3/2024. Since 1992, this is a point which I'd like to repeat any number of times, but I will say it here, sir. Since 1992, when 5-year bipartite agreements were started, that's when it started. This time, agreement has been signed within 14 months. Earlier, the average delay would be 30 months. We completed it in less than that, half the time. So in respect of the increase in salary and allowances for serving employees of banks, there will be an overall increase of 17% in the salary and allowances of the annual payslip expenses for 2021-22, which will be 12,449 crores for all public sector banks. Out of this, 17% and 3% will be loaded onto the basic pay, and the remaining will be distributed in the form of other allowances. New pay scales will be calculated after merging the DA with the basic pay as on 31/10/2022 and adding thereon a loading factor of 3%. So that's about serving employees. For pensioners, sir, monthly ex gratia has been considered in addition to pension for the pensioners and family pensioners as a one-time measure and will be applicable to the current settlement period itself. Third major thing, sir, there are several other issues, the 12th BPS and residual issues of the 11th BPS, which is old legacy issues. All of them have been handled. The pre-1986 ex gratia to retirees and their families have been increased from 4,946 rupees. They were getting only that. And 2,478 rupees. Ex gratia for retirees, 4,946. To the families, 2,478 have now respectively been increased to 10,000 rupees per month in both the cases. So where you were getting only 2,478, you're getting 10,000. Where you were getting 4,946, you're getting 10,000 per month now. That is for the pre-1986 retirees. Sir, this will benefit 105 retirees who are still living from that time, elderly, super senior citizens, and 1,382 spouses of those people who had served the banks. Total additional cost is 4.73 crores per annum. It is implemented since February 2023. So 100%, second point, so 100% DA neutralization to pre-2002 retirees and ex gratia. Total additional cost is 631 crore per annum. Total beneficiaries will be 1,81,805 members. DA neutralization is being offered. It is implemented since October 2023. Option to resignees, which was earlier not taken up, who were otherwise eligible to join pension scheme. Total additional cost on this ground is 135 crore per annum. This will benefit approximately 3,198 persons. So that's also achieved, sir. So the IBA has done this work keeping in mind the bank employees, their families, the pensioners and the retirees. The last point about Mr. Shivadasan's comment is creation and increase of Chief General Manager positions in nationalized banks. I'm talking about positions, I'm also talking about the jobs, I'm also talking about the vacancies which are getting filled up. We've taken a step which will enable banks to have better control and supervision, improved asset management and operational efficiency. With this revision, sir, the number of CGM posts in all the 11 nationalized banks has been increased from 80 to 144. It means people are moving up the pyramid. You're filling those positions which are then getting vacated, so more people are coming in. Accordingly, the number of GM posts has also been revised from 440 to 576. The number of DGM posts from 1,320 to 1,728. And the number of AGM posts are from 3,960 to 5,184. So I want to underline the point that a total of 1,832 posts have been created in the positions. Therefore, as a result of these steps, so not only people are being allowed to go up in the ladder, new positions are also being created. Jobs are not being created. Honourable Member Shivadathan, it's being created. And people are being moved upwards as well. Promotional opportunities are increasing in banks as well. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you.